Welcome back to Add Art. In today's tutorial we're heading into space as we're going to be drawing Neil Armstrong, the first man to walk on the moon. Before we do, just a quick reminder to subscribe to Add Art and hit the bell. When you do, you'll be the first to know when I've released a new video like this one. Okay, strap yourselves in as we have blast off to July the 20th, 1969. Let's start with the helmet, bring that up and over the top. And bring the sides down. This is really important because there's no oxygen on the moon, so you need this to breathe. Just join that up. Then we'll put the visor on and just follow the edge all the way round. Now, Neil Armstrong was the first human to walk on the moon during NASA's Apollo 11 mission, and he completed this alongside co-pilots Buzz Aldrin and Michael Collins. Let's put his eyes in, staring out at the moon surface. Put in here reflected in his visor. We'll put his arm in as well. And apparently this spacesuit cost an estimated $100,000 at the time. Okay, we'll just put a glove in. Just put his thumb and fingers in here. And this suit was made from 21 layers of various fabrics. And this was to protect the astronauts from the airless moon's extremes of hot and cold and deadly solar ultraviolet radiation. Put some detailing on this glove. Let's bring his other arm round, bring that down. We'll have this one slightly in front. Let's put this other glove in. Put the thumb in, and the fingers. And surprisingly, the suit was made by a company that also made bras. So they're used to working with quite flexible, durable materials. Okay, let's put this kind of chest piece he has on here. Some detail on that. Have that hanging round his neck. And he also had these two badges that were on the suit, one that said NASA and the other one that was relating to the mission itself, the Apollo 11 mission. So these tubes, these would have fed the oxygen, and although Neil Armstrong was the first man on the moon, apparently Buzz Aldrin was the first person to go for a wee on the moon, and he would have used a special tube in his suit to allow him to do that. Let's put the American flag on here. And Neil Armstrong, when he was walking on the moon, had to carry this backpack with him everywhere he went that had the oxygen in it. Down. Just put some detailing on there. Let's have his leg outstretched down to one of his shoes. And it was quite awkward for them to walk on the moon or even jump on the moon because the gravity was only 1/6 of that on Earth. So when you jump, you go 6 times higher, which was probably a lot of fun. pouch on the front of this leg here, so let's put that in. Bring this leg down. And put this front piece on that connected the suit together. Down. Put the other shoe in, or moon boot. Put a little more detail on the suit here. Right, let's put the moon in. We can also put this lunar module as well, so we'll come down, at an angle, and across, and up at a similar angle. We're creating this kind of, it's almost a square, but with these angles at the sides, these little triangles at the base. This is quite a simplified version of it. You can do some research if you want to get the detail absolutely exact. Copy that on the other side. And when Neil Armstrong landed the lunar module, there was only 30 seconds of fuel left in it, and he manually piloted it to safety. And they landed in the Sea of Tranquility, which is an area on the moon. Put these bits in. Instrumentation and radars. The ladder for him to climb down. And let's put the legs in so they come out and then down. Bring that all the way back up. And then put these feet on the bottom. Copy that on the other side. And this lunar module is actually called the Eagle, and it's where the famous saying, "the eagle has landed," comes from. These legs are almost made of metal poles, and the thruster underneath so they could launch away from the moon's surface. Let's put some craters and detail onto this moon. They're getting bigger as they come towards us in the foreground. And while on the moon, Neil Armstrong collected samples of lunar rock and dust. And apparently in 2017, these were sold at auction for £1.4 million, which is amazing. Okay, let's put his footsteps in. And while he was on the moon, Neil walked a distance of about 60 metres on the surface of the moon, and at the time more than 500 million people watched him as he took those steps. Let's put some little lines in here that have been left by the bottom of his shoe. And when Neil stepped foot on the moon for the first time, he said the now famous line, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." Let's put some more craters in. Just finish off this side here. Let's put the Earth in the background, And not only were Neil and Buzz the first humans to step foot on the moon, they were also the first humans to view Earth from the moon's surface. And Neil said that while he was there he could hold his thumb up and block out the Earth. And he said that it felt quite lonely, but made him realise just how beautiful our home is. So there it is. There is Neil Armstrong taking the first steps on the moon. Hope you've enjoyed drawing along with that one today. Now, before I go, just a quick reminder to check out all my other tutorials like these on my Add Art channel. You can do this by clicking on my double pencil profile picture. Also, if you've enjoyed drawing along with me today, do give this video a thumbs up as it really helps my channel grow. Finally, if you know someone who'd also love Add Art, then please share the channel with them. But that's it for today, and I hope to draw along with you again soon. Bye for now.